unboxing for you guys today. It's something different. GECENinov. It's a power block. GECENinov. Pretty interesting here. It's a nice, powerful power block. Powerful semiconductor for charging. New super power. Smaller size, faster charging speed, and higher efficiency. Nice. You can see the voltage right here. This one's made in China. Box is quite nice. And the guy out. Ooh, I kind of like this little packaging here. Here's the block itself. We got ourselves a USB-C to USB-C. Everything is changing. Technology is improving. I like the piano black and the brush. The matte finish is very nice. There we go. Type C1, Type C2, a USB-A. You get a lot of connections here. I'm assuming you could do all three if you wanted. 65 watts, man. I like that. Oh yeah, that's nice and snappy. Nice. Let's give this guy a try. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. Another unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.